welcome back. We're in a 2023 Mazda CX-30 Turbo and Premium Plus. So this is coming from our retired service loaner fleet. So this is a great deal. It's only $32,500. This was a list of $37,400. So you've got everything offered on the CX-30 here in this one. Leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel, Bose sound system, paddle shifters, and let's put it in the sport around this S-curve. Little 0 to 60 sprint. I think your timing is about 5.9 seconds on the 0 to 60 time published. But these newer Mazdas that are coming out of the service fleet for our loaner car program are really great deals because they have an additional warranty to them. With certification, the big picture looks like 7 years, 100,000 mile warranty for the powertrain. They go through inspection, make sure everything of wear and tear has at least 50% or more of life, like brake pads and tire tread. So there's a reconditioning process and a checklist to go with it. There's a zero deductible if it comes in for a repair, so that's a really good program. Then you have, of course, nationwide coverage for roadside assistance, and then your dealer network. And then, as you can see, I don't have a brand new CX-30 in stock currently. We sold our last one that we had just yesterday, so that's why this is a good deal and nice availability.
I was too young to have learned to say no to a woman. Few men, I may add, learn this until they are too old to make it of any consequence to a woman what they say. I would meet my friend by correspondence, and for those on Thursday or
This one with the all-weather set all the way to the trunk. So yeah, awesome premium interior, Bose sound system, the best it's ever been in a Mazda. And then this, also a top Safety Pick Plus awarded vehicle. Great seats. Mazda 3 CX-30 have the very comfortable and supportive, non-fatiguing seats. Here's the original list, 2023. So you see this is about $37,000. And with the Premium Plus, you got the power tailgate. It's a decent amount of space back here. Sometimes people think it's too small and not enough. This has got the all-weather mat back here as well. Here's your camera for the rear. Then this also has the 360 view camera there to help out and guide. It does give you the guidelines. So when you throw it into reverse, of course your camera pops up, but if you ever want to have it pop up while you're in park, just check surroundings, you can come over to the left side of the dash and hit the camera button. This will pop this up for you. Keep pressing it, it'll cycle through options of what you want to see. So be sure to check out your certified pre-owned inventory at your local Mazda dealer. They would have some retired service loaners, mostly certified, so a great value at getting extra warranty and coverage already included. And then like this one is available on my website. It's andersoncars.com, and you could check this out. This is only $32,500 for all of this equipment. Turbo, Premium Plus, great reliability, performance, all-wheel drive, and a great value for what you're getting here in the Mazda CX-30. Thanks for taking a look. Safe travels to you and your family. Have a great week, and we'll see you in the next one.